Hello everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can put the cinema lines into your video in Filmora. So let's go. We are in Effects, and all you want to do is just find Cinema 219. Grab it, and now just put it on your video when you want to have it. And you got it directly there. And now, how we can edit it? Right click, show properties, and down here you have a video effects cinema, and you can play around it as you want, but I will leave it as a basic as it is. And alpha, you can make it like pure black, it's the best. Yeah, it needs to be large like that. So that's about it. That's how you can put a cinema effect or cinema lines or black bars or astrophic lines or how people are calling that. And that's all. Thank you all and see ya.